Hello, everybody. Correct. That's correct. Okay. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Kuala Lumpur Bird Park, the world largest covered bird park. My name is Faisal, and I'm honored to be your host for today. Okay, before we move on to the next show, okay, how are you guys feeling today? Okay, and for this afternoon, we have a very special guest. We have our birthday girl here. Where's our birthday girl? Come on, please stand up. Come on, please stand up. Okay, guys, come on, wish her happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Okay, now, let me introduce you to my little friends. Her name is Coco, our yellow-necked parrot Amazon. Okay, Coco, can you please say something to all of us here, Coco? Come on. Hello, good one, Coco. Alright, and Coco, as you can see here, there's a lot of gorgeous ladies over here. Don't you want to be a Casanova, Coco? Okay, how about giving them a sexy hi? Can you do that, Coco? Come on. One again, come on, one more time, come on. That's not the one. Okay, come on, one more time. Hi, come on. Hi, good one. Come on, give a big hand for Coco, guys. Thank you, Coco. Alright, now we move on to the next section. And for this time, please welcome Mr. Green, our Sulphur Quest Kakatu. Okay, where's Mr. Green? Okay, now, this is Mr. Green and Mr. Mawadi, our trainer. And I believe you, Mr. Green, have something to say to all of your audience. Okay, come on. Okay, what is it? W-E-L-C-O-M-E. That's it. Come on, give a big hand for Mr. Green. He's just welcome all of you to the virtual. Okay, and that's not all. He's going to show us something more interesting here. He's going to do some acrobatic move here. But before that, Mr. Green, are you ready? Are you sure? Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next one. Come on, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Come on, give a big hand for Mr. Green. And also Coco. Thank you, guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for your information here, it's very easy to identify the gender of the bird by looking at their eyes. For an example, the white one just now, for male birds, they have dark eyes, and for female, they have red eyes. Okay, now please welcome Ringo, our blue one, gold macaw. Okay, and here it is. And Ringo will show to you how proud it is to be Malaysian. He's going to raise up our national flag here. Okay, come on, Ringo. Okay, that's it. Come on, a little bit higher. A little bit more. Excellent. You want to give a big hand for Ringo. How patriotic you are, Ringo. Okay, now we move on to the next section. And now please welcome back Mr. Mawati here. And with him, he has 2 hoops here. And for this section, I will need 2 volunteers. Okay, come on. Just 2 of you. Okay, one to the right side and the other one to the left side. Okay, and for this section, please welcome Pilot, our blue and gold macaw. Okay, out that one. Okay, and this is Pilot, and Pilot here will fly inside like 2 hoops here. Okay. Alright, volunteers, are you ready? Okay, now come on, Pilot. Okay, 1, 2, and go. Good one, Pilot. Alright, come back here, Pilot. And thank you, boys. Excellent. Come on, give a big hand for Pilot again, guys. Thank you. Okay, now we move on to the next section, and for this time I have something more interesting here. We're gonna have a racing competition. Okay, and of course for racing competition I will need 2 birds, which is Popeye and Ringo. Okay, and this is what they're gonna do here. They will pick up all these 3 rings here and put back inside this bowl here. Whoever manages to finish it first is the winner. Okay, now please welcome Mr. Casono with Ringo. Okay, and the other one is Mr. Mawadi with Popeye. Okay, but before we start the game, How about we get them some cheerleaders first? Can we do that? Can we? Okay, now. Alright, starting from here to the right side, you guys will be cheering for Popeye. Okay, on three, I would like to hear you shout Popeye, Popeye, Popeye as loud as you can. Can you do that? Okay, now let's hear it. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Okay, not bad. Okay, Popeye, that's your cheerleaders. Okay, now you guys on the left side, you will be cheering for Ringo. Okay, on three, Ringo, Ringo, Ringo. 1, 2, 3.
Ringo, Ringo, Ringo.
Okay. Alright, Bernie, are you ready? Cheerleaders, are you ready? Okay, come on your mark. Get set, go! Come on! Popeye, come on! Good one, Popeye, come on! Come on, Ringo!
Ringo. Ringo.
Come on, come on! Good job, Ringo! I don't know where did he learn
Dia
that.
bawa tiga-tiga ni.
Maybe from him. What? It's fine with that. Okay, no problem. I will ask them. Okay, I will ask them. Okay, guys, I need your help here. If you think Ringo is cheating, please put up your hand. Okay, now, if you think Ringo is technically smart, please put up your hand. I think this side is much better. Okay, did you see that? Send him back and train him well. Okay, bye-bye. Come on, give a big hand for Popeye. Thank you, Popeye. Okay, and we have a car here for Ringo as a prize here. Okay, and Ringo will show to you how good it is as a driver. But please remember, Ringo, don't drink and drive. Okay. Alright, great. Okay, one more turn, come on. Come on, hey, Ringo. Ringo, Mr. Kasona, what happened? I see. You want to check the engine first. He's a good mechanic, yeah? Actually, for your information, we bought him a second-hand car. Okay, excellent, Ringo. Come on, give a big hand for Ringo again, guys. Okay, and Ringo here is still with us, and now I would like to call for his girlfriend here. Name is Shanti, our Scarlet Macaw. Great one. Okay, and what do we have here for both of them, Mr. Mawati? We have a sliding board here, just like kids. This is what they like to do during their free time here. Okay, we may start with Ringo first. Come on. Okay, please wait for your girlfriend there. Alright, come on. Good one. Okay, second one, Shanti, come on. Excellent. Go on, give a big hand for Ringo and Shanti. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for your information here, the lifespan of this macaw is about 40 to 60 years old. That's a long lifespan. You guys already knew about it, right? Okay, and please welcome Poppy, our green wing macaw. Okay, and for Poppy, we have a color wooden block. And Poppy will show to you, he will put back the color wooden block according to the color. Okay. Come on, Poppy. Please start with the green first. Come on. Green, yellow, black, and lastly red. Alright, great. Come on, give a big hand for Poppy. Okay, now we will go with one more choke, but this time, Mr. Kasonov, please ask Poppy to put the red first. Come on, Poppy. Poppy. Okay. But I think it seems too easy for Poppy, right? Okay, stop right there, Mr. Kasonov. How about we go with this one first? Ask Poppy to put the green first. Yes. Excellent. Okay, last one, Poppy. Alright, awesome. Come on, give a big hand for Poppy. Thank you, Poppy. Okay, and for the next action, I would like to call for Jody, our also green wing macaw here. And this is what we're gonna do for Jody. We're gonna test how good is their eyesight. Okay, and for Jody, we have 3 empty bowl and a dice. We will hide the dice inside one bowl and we'll ask Jody to find where is the dice.
Nanti.
Jody, come on, come closer. Okay, now focus and pay attention, Jody. Okay, now where is it? Excellent, come on, give a big hand for Jody. Okay, now we will go with one more try, but this time, Mr. Alif, please make it a little bit faster here. Yes, please spin it fast. Jody, come on. Come on, Jody. I'm getting darker over here. Okay, focus, Jody. Okay, spin it fast, Miss Alif, come on. So where is it? Okay, now where is it, Jody? Excellent, go give a big hand for Jody. Okay, if you think we are cheating, okay, now I will need your suggestion here where to put the dice. On my right side, or in the middle, or on my left side. Anyone? Left side. Okay, can we go with left side? Okay, sure. Come on, left side. Okay, now
Memang
choose
nyimak
Jody.
matanya.
Excellent. Come on, give a big hand for Jody. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for your information here, macaw have eyesight that are 7 times sharper than human being. So that's why Jody have no problem to find where is the dice. Okay, thank you, Jody. And now please welcome Smarty, our blue-eyed gold macaw. Okay, and this is what we're gonna do for Smarty. We're gonna test Smarty's IQ in calculation. Okay, we'll give Smarty 2 numbers to add up. The first number comes from Mr. Kasono here, and the second number is from you, audience. But the answer is must not be more than 15. 1-5. Okay, is that clear now? Okay, now Smarty, test the bell first. Okay, good boy. Okay, first number, Mr. Kasono. 6. 6 plus 1 number, please.
6 plus 2.
2. Are you sure? Okay, can we go with 2? Okay, sure. Okay, 6 and 2. Okay, we count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that correct? Yeah, come on, give a big hand for Smarty, guys. That's it. Okay, request from Mr. Kasono here one more time. First number, 7. 7 plus 1 number, please. Sorry? 3. 5. Okay, 5. Can we go with 5? Okay. Come on, it's very easy, Smarty. 7 and 5. Let's show that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What happened here, Smarty? Smarty, what are you doing? Okay, can we give Smarty one more chance? Can we? Okay, Smarty, now you better do it properly. If not, I'll send you to KFC. Okay, one more time, Smarty, come on. 7 and 5. Okay, we count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, come on, give a big hand for Smarty. He's very smart bird. Thank you, Smarty. Okay, get back inside.
Send you to KFC.
Okay, now I think that's enough with our parrot show for today. And now, I would like to call for the King of the Sky. Can anyone please tell me what bird do we call the King of the Sky? Chicken. What? Chicken. Eagle, that's correct. Okay, now, okay. That's enough. Okay, for the first King of the Sky here, name is Mike, our Asian black eagle.
Asian black eagle.
Come on, Mr. Mawadi. So where's Mike, Mr. Mawadi? From there. Okay, Mike, come on, Mike. Mike. Oh, there he is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mike, our Asian Black Eagle. He's always sneaking up on people actually. Okay, for your information here, Mike is kind of new to the show, and what we are trying to do here is we're trying to build up his confidence when he meets strangers here. Mike, this be remember they are not your food, okay? Okay, that's enough with Mike for today. Come on, give a big hand for Mike. Okay, for the next bird of prey here, name is Hunter, our brown mini kite. Okay, so please welcome Hunter. Where's Hunter? Grade 1. Okay, for this section, Mr. Alif, how many volunteers do we need? One volunteer. Anyone? How about birthday girl? Come on. Okay, but before that, this is what you're gonna do here. You're gonna feed the bird using your own flesh. Is that okay? Okay, I'm just kidding. Come on, to the top side. Hurry up. Come on. Okay. Don't worry, birthday girl. You just need to hold the stick steadily with your hand. That's all. Okay, now here comes Hunter. Come on, get ready, guys. Hunter, where are you going, Hunter? Have you taken your shower yet, birthday girl? Maybe that's the reason why. I'm just kidding. Hunter, come on, Hunter. Okay, come on, bud. Come on, Hunter. We're still waiting for you. Come on. Okay. Come on, bud. Okay, guys, I need your help here. Please call Hunter. Come on. He can't hear you more. Louder. Come on, Hunter. Come on. Okay, now here he comes. Come on, boy. I think maybe he's full already, right? Okay, come on. We have to move on to the next section. Come on, give a big hand for Hunter. Okay, now this is the last bird of prey for today. Name is Rainbow, our gray-headed fish eagle. Okay, now Mr. Mawadi, please send Rainbow to Mr. Alif out there. Okay, and this is what Rainbow is going to show to you. He will show to you how good it is in capturing prey on the ground here. And for the prey, we have his favorite toy here. What a lovely toy, right? I don't think so.
Lovely toy.
And welcome back, Hunter. Okay, Rainbow, come on. And that's it. Come on, give a big hand for Rainbow. Great catch, yeah? Okay, now this is the last act for today. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, this show, besides to entertain, is to educate. And the most important thing is to respect wildlife. And hopefully, we will learn something good from our show today. Okay, now I have a dustbin here and a bunch of scrap here. And for this section, I would like to call for Q, our blue and gold macaw. And Q will show to you where this thing's supposed to be. Okay, come on, Q. Come on, Q. Alright, Q, you know what to do, right? Okay, start with the bottle first. Put them back. Great one. Okay, second one, Q, come on. Okay, last one for today, Q, come on. Excellent. Excellent. Come on, give a big hand for Q. Thank you, Q. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of our show for today. But before that, let me introduce you to our team of trainers here that make the show possible. On my right side is Mr. Mawadi with Q, and this is Mr. Alif with Rainbow. Thank you for coming to Kuala Lumpur Bird Park and have a nice day. Bye bye. Okay, and last word from Q. Bye bye. Bye.